Hello friends, this is our project named iSpeak. So nowadays what happens is people are always hidden, normal people are always hidden from the ground reality of what has happened. So the media houses are always biased towards a particular government or any particular organization. So they show only those news which they want to show. So normal people do not get any chance to see any true news or any perfect or real news and what is happening inside. So there is very less transparency in this system. So we have proposed a system which is named iSpeak, where every normal people or a common man can report or any mishap or good happen anything onto the blockchain network, which will be verified by organizations like Correct TV, BBC or other organizations. So what is this is iSpeak. So here you will write the title of that what has happened. Recently in Delhi, daily wage workers started walking via highway to their homes, making a very huge distance of walking. Huge distance to go to their home. So here verify other organizations will verify whether this proof is correct or not. So here we can, as a person, I can report this, and this acts as a evidence of what has happened. This is the pic of that happening. So as I upload here, this gets uploaded to the IPFS storage, which is a decentralized storage, which is integrated onto this. So as I upload this gets uploaded onto the IPFS storage. Now I agree that all film is correct and properly verified by me. Now I need to put my transaction. So this dApp is deployed onto Matic network. The main advantage of Matic network is we can transact at 0 ethers at a very less gas price, which is very beneficial for any normal user to save the ethers. Okay, so as I confirm this transaction, the transaction has been confirmed, as we can see. Now let's see on the verifier side, they need to verify this news, right? So at the verifier side, he will get a notification or something through which he will able to verify this news. The daily wage workers working via highways during lockdown, workers working huge distance to go to their home walking. So he will verify this news whether it's correct or not. So verifiers can easily see these photos, what are the evidences, what actually happened like this, and based on that they can easily verify that news. Again that transaction gets confirmed. Now he verifies this news or facts or information, and then the transaction will happen on the Matic testnet, as we can see here. And also this is our contract, and we can get the history of what all transactions have been done up till now. See, the transaction block is created, account, and also the transaction ID. Now as we can see on the information page, which will be shown to users, we can easily see the verified information by the verifiers. So normal users can see this information, get the overview of what has happened, and also check the image or evidence what has happened. This evidence can be any file or image, anything which can be viewed, because as it's stored on the IPFS storage, which is a decentralized storage. Now as we keep another news, another or information, in recently there were cases where social distancing was not followed in India. So which led to spread of virus into the country. The evidence is this. So normal people can easily show this evidence and upload it onto IPFS storage. Once it's get uploaded to IPFS storage, it's a decentralized storage, so the file can be only retrieved via hash of that file. As I submit this, the transaction gets confirmed. As soon as the transaction gets confirmed, the verifier will get this news to verify. So as you can see, the verifier got the news to verify. So the verifier will verify this news again. These verifiers are group of authorities who verify this news, check the facts, and then only they confirm this. These are the organizations. Now as we see on the info page, which will be visible to normal users and common men, exposing the true reality, what has happened currently. What has happened in fact, along with the proof and evidence. So the normal users can see the currently verified news on the blockchain network and also see the evidence from the IPFS. So the best part is this is decentralized, so even the person who reports it does not get identified, as he can use different accounts, for example of Meta, using of Matic network, and the transaction can be done at 0 ethers. So different accounts he can use and transact it. So this is the sole purpose of saving the health and safety of reporters who try to find out the insider information and expose the true reality, thus bringing the transparency between users and government. And this is our Matic Testnet Explorer, where we can see the contract address, how the transactions happen and recently happened transactions up till now, 2 minutes before transaction was happened, logs of this transaction, internal transactions, and balance for this contract. This is the testnet v3 Explorer of Matic network. So if a person tries to put some false news or some fake information, like helicopter sanitization, which occurred which was forwarded onto WhatsApp to everyone, which was absolutely fake, like and he tries to put some fake proof and uploads it onto IPFS. Then first that news need to be verified. It's very compulsory to verify it. See, if a normal person puts some false news and transacts this onto MetaMask, and now if we see verifiers page, he will have a news to verify. Now he has the option to whether reject or accept that news. He will check the proof whether this is going to happen or not. That department will check. If it's false, he can surely reject it. Before it was happening that there was a bug that all news need to be verified, but that bug was solved. Now if it rejects, then the news will get rejected and no info will be given to the normal people on the info page. So as you can see, only the verified news is only getting uploaded, which is only seen to the normal people. So unverified or false news will never get seen, never be seen to the normal users, which is very beneficial to prevent the spread of rumors or any fake information. Because as we know, false information is always very harmful and create a huge disaster if it is shown to normal people. So this project aims to prevent the spread of fake information, and only authentic information will only be seen to normal users using blockchain. So finally, this is our home page where you can land any of the pages as shown before, like speakers page, info page, here you can see all this info to info, and the last and but not the least, it's verifiers page. Till now, no any news. Up till now, all the news has been verified, and no new news or new information has been come. So it's not displayed here. Now, although the links are present onto a single page for speakers and verifiers, but when we deploy it live, there will be proper authentication based system for speakers and verifiers, that is from login ID and password based system.